This is first grade GoMath, Chapter 6, Unit Review. Number 1, Felix counts 46 cubes. Then he counts forward some more cubes. Write the numbers. After 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Problem number 2. Count by tens. Match each number on the left to a number that is 10 more. So 10 more than 35 would be 45. 10 more than 49 would be 59. 10 more than 59 is 69. 10 more than 65 is 75. 10 more than 57 is 67. Problem number 3. Does the number match the model? Choose yes or no. So we have a model here, a 10 frame and some ones. A 10 frame is equal to 10, and we have 5 ones. So is it 10 plus 10? No. 1 10 and 4 ones? No. 1 10 and 5 ones? Yes. And 10 plus 5? Yes. Problem number 4. Circle the numbers that make the sentence true. There are blank 10s and blank 1s in 12. So in 12, there's 1 10 and 2 1s. Problem number 5. Choose all of the ways that name the model. So if we look at this model, we can count to make sure, but it looks like 10, groups of 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10. There are 10 in each row. We have 3 groups of 10. So is that 3 ones? No. Is that 3 10s? Yes, that's 3 10s. Is it 3 10s and 0 1s? Yes, 3 10s and 0 1s. And 3 10s, if you count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, is 30. So we have 3 correct answers. It said choose all the ways that name the model. Problem number 6. There are 42 cubes. Lisa says there are 4 10s and 2 1s. Elena says there are 2 10s and 4 1s. Who is correct? Circle the name. How can you draw 42? So Lisa says that 42 is 4 10s and 2 1s. Lisa is correct. If we draw a model to show that, we can use long sticks to represent the rods. That's 40. And then 2, 42. Read the problem, write a number. I am greater than 27. I am less than 30. So if we look at the numbers 27, 28, 29, and 30. So it has to be between 27 and 30. I have 9 ones. Well, here's the number that has 9 ones, and that number is 29. Problem number 8. Choose all the ways that show the number. So we have to look and see what number it is. So there's 1 10 and 2 10s. So it's 2 10s, or 20. And then if we count these, it definitely looks like it's more than 10. Let's even make it a little bit closer so you can see it better. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5. And that's another row of 5 and another row of 5. So if I put these two groups of 5 together, that makes another 10, and then we have 5. So we have 20, 35. So it's a total of 35. So let's look. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 35. This is 10, and then if we look at the 5, these are rows of 5, or columns of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 and 10, 10. We can start with the 10. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's also 35. Let's look at this one. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 33. Nope, that one doesn't work. This one, 10, 20, 30, 40. Nope, it doesn't work. So we have 2 different ways here that you can show 35 and then that way. Last page. What number does the model show? These represent 10s and these represent 1s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 10s. Or we can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we can count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 110. Let's look at this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we have 10, and this is a row of 5, and one more is 6. So we have 116, and the directions say finish the drawing to show 118. So if we want to finish the drawing, what will we add to this picture we already have? We would add, if this is 116, we'd add 2 more circles to show 118. Write to explain. One way I'm going to write is to write the number 116, write an equation, plus 2 more is 118. That's how I'm going to explain. Count the acorns, write the numbers. So we have acorns, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. And so we can think of this as a 10 frame. I can put those little lines in there and make that a 10 frame. And here's another 10 frame. So we have 2 groups of 10. How many 10s is that? 2. How many acorns is that? How many acorns are in this model? There are 20. So 20 acorns. We have 2 10s and 20 acorns. Draw a quick picture to show 54 in 2 ways, then write the number of 10s and 1s in each picture. So the fastest way to write 54 would be 5 10s, and I'll just draw circles, and 4 1s, so that's 5 10s and 4 1s. Or I could make 54, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 10s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that makes my 5 10s, even though I made that 10 into 1s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So now I have 4 10s and 14 1s. That's the end of the GoMath Chapter 6 First Grade Review.